To begin installation, locate the dual EBSS hose and manifold assembly. The hose and manifold assembly will be installed in the pouch. Snap the retaining strap in place, and with the hose coiled up, install into the pouch. Close the flap and snap the flap in place. To install the waist to shoulder strap, locate the longer folded end, insert in through the slotted opening of the back frame, and feed through until the T-hem is flush with the back frame. Repeat that same step with the other waist to shoulder strap, continuing to feed through until the T-hem is flush with the back frame. With the waist pad oriented correctly, locate the I-bar and install the I-bar through the slotted opening of the back frame. Rotate the strap 90 degrees. The waist pad may now be slid underneath of the back frame assembly. Lifting up the back frame, locate the retaining strap. The retaining strap will secure the waist pad to the back frame assembly. The retaining strap should be fed through the slotted opening of the back frame. And then once through the slotted opening, it should be fed underneath of the sewn strap on the waist pad assembly. Next, locate the snap. Snap into place. Again, it is a directional snap. And then folding the waist pad back, line up the snap and secure in place. The next step is to attach the dual EBSS pouch to the waist pad assembly. Locating the strap on the back side of the pouch, feed the strap underneath of the waist belt, and then snap into place. The next step is to feed the waist to shoulder strap through the open fabric on the side of the dual EBSS pouch. We are now ready to install the shoulder harness assembly. To install the shoulder harness assembly, locate the larger of the two square slides. We're going to insert that square slide into the lower of the slotted openings on the back frame clevis. Next, flatten the DRL, or the drag rescue loop, and carefully slide the snaps as well as the rest of the strap through the upper slotted opening. There is a small square slide that will need to be pulled through the slotted opening, and then ensure both of the slides are flush. Next, take the molded cable assembly and gauge line, as well as the low pressure hose, and fold them over. We have a retaining strap that will keep these in place. The snap has a dot, which is a directional fastener. Align the dot, snap in place. Next, take the drag rescue loop, snap the drag rescue loop in place on the shoulder harness, and then take the second snap and secure in place. Notice that the drag rescue loop is installed in between the molded cable and the gauge line assembly. Grab the console assembly, and we're going to attach the cable routing clamp to the webbing. To do so, fold or squeeze the webbing together, insert into the back slot of the cable routing clamp. Repeat the same process with the lower of the two cable routing clamps. Make sure both are secure. Next, take the upper sleeve, wrap it around the gauge line and the molded cable, and then secure by snapping in place. Repeat the same process with the lower sleeve. On the other side, we're going to take the low pressure hose, lay it down, and we're actually going to retain it with two straps, an upper strap and a lower strap. Wrap the upper sleeve around and snap into place. Last, we're going to take the lower sleeve and wrap it around. It is important that the low pressure hose is not placed underneath of the sleeve. The low pressure hose should be outside of the sleeve. Wrap around, snap into place. Our last step is to attach the waist to shoulder straps to the buckle assemblies. We'll start on this side of the pack. With the waist to shoulder strap straight, we're going to do a half turn to the outside before feeding the strap through the metal bail and then back down through the buckle assembly. We will repeat the same process with the other side. Half turn rotation to the outside, up through the metal bail, and then back down through the buckle assembly. This completes the installation of the harness assembly on the Airpak X3 Pro SCBA. A removable and launderable harness assembly is just one of the many benefits of the Airpak X3 Pro SCBA.